sensibility and practicality define the 2008 Chevrolet Corvette. With fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer, you can be confident that this pre-owned vehicle will provide you reliable transportation. Chevrolet made sure to keep road handling and sportiness at the top of its priority list. Chevrolet prioritized fit and finish as evidenced by variably intermittent wipers, a leather steering wheel, automatic dimming door mirrors, high-intensity discharge headlights, and power seats. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 7 speakers, enhancing the audio experience throughout the interior. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, a panic alarm, OnStar, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.